Part of a larger study where we are looking at all those different things like fishing, tourism, boating, and then this property stuff is just one portion of this. And this presentation is the same presentation that I gave at the Indiana Lake Management Society conference. We looked at 2012 tax revenue generated, and we wanted to do only that which was directly due to the lake. Okay, I don't want to just look at all the tax generated around the lakes or anything like that. I wanted to look at what if the lakes disappeared tomorrow or got really nasty tomorrow, what impact would that have on tax revenue? I only wanted to know the lake portion of that tax revenue. We chose to eliminate some of those data from our numbers. Compared tax per home, square footage across the property parcel categories. So what this means is $2, someone channel front is $3, someone on the lake is $4. Okay, just use really easy round numbers. So then what we said was for that $1, so someone living on the lakefront, they're paying $4 per square foot. Well, only $3 per square foot is due to the lake. Even that house somewhere else in the county is still going to pay the $1 per square foot, right? So we could only use the $3 per square foot. The person living in the Lakeview home, they're paying $2 per square foot as opposed to $1 per square foot, so we could only use $1 per square foot for that. So that's how we parsed that all out to understand exactly how much the lake was influencing. And then secondary homes, we didn't have to do that for. If someone has a second residence that they use for the summer or whatever, if the lakes in Kosciuszko are bad or we don't have any lakes here, they're going to have that summer home in another county. Second home is here on this lake is due to the fact that the lake is there. Some of the results. So taxes. So our county, Kosciuszko County, brings in $60 million a year and generated property tax revenue of $15 million. Okay, and then we also looked at lakes other. So these are the commercial properties and some of the other sorts of things, just so we had that in as well. 25% of the annual tax revenue to our county is solely due to the fact that we have lakes in this county. Okay, and that's a conservative number, right? Because I only use single family homes. There's other sorts of things that are generating tax revenue as well. And we only use the largest lakes, which is 41 of the lakes. Now those smaller lakes are not going to have as much of a bump due to the home being on the lake as what these would. So you'll see Lake Wawasee is by far the highest. Here, this is the property tax generated from the lake being present there. And you can see across the top 10, Wawasee is the highest. And you can notice here, look how much is generated by these secondary residences compared to the primary residences. Because remember, a large portion of primary residence we didn't include in the analysis because the folks would live there. The folks who are living there as their primary residence would still have that home there.